Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City / Saigon. I just reached my hotel and let's review it together. So I've just entered and this is what it looks like. Although it's not as spacious as the ones I stayed in before, I can understand because this is in District 1 in the middle of the city. Let's look at the view. Oh, look, I got the river. Oh wow, okay. Probably the best view so far out of all the hotels. And look, there's a restaurant. So this is on the 15th floor. Some construction going on there, but it's okay. I don't mind the noise. I actually myself live in the city, so it's all good. It's lullaby for me. I can't wait to see this at night. Probably will be very beautiful. So, desk, nice spacious bed, TV. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, mini bar. Apparently they have free mini bar here. So let's see what is free. Oh, nice. Some soft drinks, beers, some snacks, water, tea, coffee. Oh, okay. Let's see. Bathroom. Light. Very spacious. Shower. I like the same door. You can actually use it for toilet. When you go like this, and then you can open it, and then you can push it, and it's the same door for the shower. Nice. Yeah, this is probably the best hotel so far. I like it. Thumbs up. This hotel is called Bay Hotel, and it's in District 1 in Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, I have reached my destination. However, I saw this really beautiful garden on the other side. And I'm actually thinking, let's go check that out first, and then we'll go to Landmark 81. How do I get there? Let's go. Oh, look at that.
Mày chích vô xong bây giờ phương án là kiếm cái tấm bảng.
Okay, I'm gonna take that bridge and go down the other side and see what's there. Nice. Look at all those high-rise buildings. Saigon is a very modern city. I think this is the most cosmopolitan and modern city I've seen out of all the other cities in Vietnam. However, I have not come across as many tourists in compared to Hoi An and Da Nang and Hanoi. Oh, there's a lift. Let's take the lift. So nice and peaceful in here. And of course that building is where we're going next. Which is Landmark 81. It's in District 1 and is the highest skyscraper in Vietnam, and second highest in Southeast Asia and 14th highest in the world until now. As per my research. Maybe by the time this video comes out, things will change, as they do regularly. Look at people running and staying fit while I'm regretting those stairs. The weather here is very humid and compared to the cities I've visited before. There's hardly any breeze, and this is in January, so I can only imagine what happens in summer. Okay, and there is the river on the other side. And some nice breeze actually, which is a relief. Yeah, doing the river cruise is also on the list, so let's see. It's strange. This is probably the most peaceful place I've seen since I've arrived to Saigon yesterday. Because that District 1 is really crowded, full of traffic. This is really peaceful. Apart from some screaming kids. Okay, I'd rather not get too far from the building, but I have to go back as well. So I'm gonna start walking back now. I don't feel like it though. It's really nice and peaceful here. Yeah, let's go.